DP Hydro Wet Seal is a spray-on, rinse-off type protection product that imparts a highly glossy, super hydrophobic surface after just one application. DP Hydro Wet Seal sheets water from the surface, helping to prevent water spots and other surface contamination. DP Hydro Wet Seal is easily applied and will provide months of protection. Work on a cool surface out of direct sunlight. Wash your vehicle as you normally would, but do not dry. You spray on DP Hydro Wet Seal directly onto the wet paint, working one panel at a time, and immediately rinse off, and then dry the vehicle as normal. Spray on, rinse off application, instant hydrophobic protection, creates a glossy finish with months of protection. DP Detailing Products, exceptional car care products for the professional, enthusiast, and everyday driver.